Neba, or on your Akwa Okoko Tiwaraki. But I lady there. Okochago Bacha, but I would do it. Never know no my video. So that's when you were to prove to the world now. Never one. Namona Abaka de Kuna found that I can never speak evil against Apa. Uncle evil against Apa, Uruguay, in a me here, in my buffer. I don't name me here, Gumadia, Manana be recalling here. Oh, well, I would just say they made to or the case you. Once they made to the car, money have a pure lie. Came when I got discuss with the way we didn't know. Namo se kampam where go where then they were telling say mad when they messing car where now they would job mad them can lies upon lies, lies upon lies. So yes. In the year, I don't get highest 3 or 4 times. Here I will back then, and my Abundibia. Aqua Guru who is so and maybe video. Aqua, a one Guru Mogun, why?
Yeah, but oh, whatever I don't get to now. Why I won't tell Jana or she went up and jump. One or they want I don't know, because some people about that.
Yes.
Get back, you could not get enough. Ogechi Okeke Njaka.
Yes. Yes. Oh. No, I'm going to brother Morning Star. I'm going to Morning Star and so. Okay.
Not to go away from not you motor because of Namojo's like now that's.
So thank you very much. One day, I want to acquire money for your. Yes.
And I mana upon on your put a chain. Talk and believe boy, not if you could. Yaba voice note of Yabala record.
Yaba record or voice note or evidence of anything.
I won't put on you want a woman. Man can't be come mad now this year.
Thank you very much.
On a chat or top madam will make one more. Even my bunkanka, you have as
well. Thank you very much. Oh, God bless you. Even as a Kunina I have for one in fact, maybe a wedding. I then a wedding, native doctor Jew, or you have a bar, why I fight to ever because I had never a wedding. Oh, but I go here also, and then before you watch, I didn't have drag now, didn't have a wedding, can't drag. So, okay, also move back at a wedding. What they want to put to about some Japan, wild way, I don't know. It's any drag, not drag people around me. If you tell about what your Bible was straight. Yeah, put that around me. When I'm there, open that a 4J, go, maybe no, I believe in Japan. Oruzechi Munye, but Abasabe war, but it's a family man no your way. Just for no reason, just because now ask and ask. And you never be what he had a Kuburabu. And I think I'm not attention and their admin, call legacy on hand half this thing. Or the legacy one half gets a dragon family in them money for no reason. Or now he can caution with this young lady. It's about war. Instead of because I'm not telling them to caution her for me, but caution her for bringing other people family. Or the legacy man half in the many. Can caution no her. Caution no. No, they was against where was you with that poor Joe. I say I had petition. I had court and what I did back is a man family in Dana Lani who won't actually go.
onwe ebe na na-ekwu okwu na-ekwere okwu na-aga na-abụ onye eji na famili mmadụ iwe mmadụ ịtakpe mmadụ iwe adịrị oke ka a kpọkwasịrị eji niile na nkịta ahụ na ọ ka ya akpọkwa ndị mmadụ aba ibe a na-achọ ọgụ ka ọ kpọọ ndị niile kọ na abadana.
Yes. Yes. I'm going to thank you. Thank you very much. Oh. God bless you. Actual Eba is here. Actual Eba is here. Well, for the sake of my clients, my boss, my friends, and my big organ, I'm doing this video. Normally, it does not worth my reply. Yes. Eventually, see on this video, particularly now. Iti baka nebendogam, I will debunk you because you are full of lie from day one. Your lie started from the day of the creation of this earth. Nothing ever but truth. Na putani imegi. Actually, when I'm care gambusi man, about those, okay, for the respect I have for the family. So you don't even know you have respect for the family. See man, they are walking on. You see the pempe. About those, Bano Gamo Dumba. What white? What those were nice, hey, I think I caution okay in that because if you write up, Udogu send it as social media. Because in a like really, if you trouble, every you see a bottom. Mana in a bar ke bottom. Ndebundogam and again and I take ure. Get the Baba again is book. Jepacket West again. And I don't blame which I don't blame you. I blame the fools. They share your video. Somebody said, we love one another. We are Christian. Man, if we joy share, if you see adverts, you will not share adverts. You will not share people's content. But if we about a gossip, you share. I don't blame when they post. I don't blame Ogechi Njaka. I don't blame you. I blame any fools they share your video. On that, I blame you. Because him and if I say this is typical lie. I don't know what he said, man. Everything you said is all lie. And I am debunking it. For those that will believe, they actually believe, go on and still following her. The day of reckoning is coming. Again, go come Nadia and Oga Habia, is going to allow to speak. No. That's your sponsor and sponsor. Mega attack Jim, mega attack a crackers, and Miss Tarao, Eze, Ned, attack a Jim. I don't mind replying because it doesn't want my reply. I have many other things to do. But eventually, I want to if you got a lose, no evidence. Okay, to you that I know, always reply, always record people. You couldn't be able to now. And once even know you know it's a time, even my girlfriend and my ex, I never even discuss anything with them. When I never discussed anything with my father, my parents and my girlfriends and my ex-girlfriend. When even they discuss with them concerning my business. Just they discuss no, but no give one. Or Bruno give one book or Ogechi can they discuss. Couldn't have book I say ya more godo. Came baby to the chat bam. Okay, Happy Hands Foundation. All of them send the ego defa. Ọrụ mgbe Jeba gị sendịrị gị ego dị ife a esi m agụ ọrụ ya nwere agụ thank you mgbe m na-esendịrị gị ego na OG Foundation abụrụkwa m agụ abụ m agụ that time oruzie ka when going is bad mụ abụghọ m wee pensu ma mgbe ị na-anakasị m nọmba mụ sendịrị nọmba onye a ka eyo ego nne esendịrị gị abụrụ m ajọ mmadụ Jeba ga abụghọ achọghọ ọganihu gị. You didn't go 1 naira. I sponsored your foundation. Also, not 1 naira. I put money there, and you recognize it and help me. Then I said, "Jepa, right on, ride on." mgbe nweta nọmba akụsa ya nye gị ka ọ sponsor your foundation mgbe a jepak bụ ezigbo mmadụ ịgbago m saga niile ya gba nnụnụ wee bi nwetara m drag ya my in-law drag ya my wife drag ya everybody onwere bi so nweta m ifesi ya na my contact a drag the first person onye awọ gara face the second person a drag the person ọwọ gara ifesi ya akpa awọ kwara gị n'ala because ọwụwụ taa